On 15, it wants us to write the point slope form of the line and then convert that into slope-intercept form. So our line is going to be parallel to y is equal to negative 5x plus 4, and it has to contain negative 2, negative 7. So this line that they're giving to us, this is not our line. This is just a line that we're being compared to. So this line's slope is negative 5. So the parallel slope would also be negative 5. So this line's slope has negative 5, our line's slope needs to have negative 5. And our line is going to contain this point. So now that I have my slope, I don't really even care about this line anymore. So I'm ready to do point slope form. So y minus negative 7 is equal to negative 5 x minus negative 2. So I'm getting my slope from here, and I'm getting my x1, y1 from there. And we can now simplify this to be slope-intercept form. So y plus 7 is equal to, if I distribute, well, let's actually not distribute first. Let's actually worry about that double negative. So it'll be x plus 2. Then let's distribute. So y plus 7 is equal to negative 5x minus 10. And then if I subtract 7 from both sides, y is equal to negative 5x minus 17. And that'll be our final answer. So that is the equation of a line that's parallel to this line, but that contains this as a point. If we look at 16, it says find the equation of a line perpendicular to the line x plus 7y is equal to 12 and contains 5, negative 9. So I do have my x1 and my y1, and I need to get my slope. So we're being compared to this line here, so we need to figure out what this line's slope is. So I need to isolate for y there. So I have actually a lot of work to do before I can even get my slope. So I want to subtract x from both sides. Then I want to divide everything by 7. If I do that, then y is going to be equal to, it's an implied negative 1 there, so negative 1 over 7x plus 12 over 7. Now we kind of have to think about why we're doing this again. This is the other line. This is not our line. So this line's slope is negative 1/7. Our slope is perpendicular to this. And again, perpendicular slope, that is the negative reciprocal, or the opposite reciprocal. So it's going to be positive because this is negative. And if I flip 1/7, it becomes 7 over 1, or just 7. So positive 7 is the reciprocal of negative 1/7, the negative reciprocal. So now I have my slope, and I have my point. So all that work was really just to get the slope. So now I actually want to go to the point slope form. So it'll be y minus a negative 9 is equal to 7 times x minus 5. So I'm going to get rid of my double negatives and distribute. So this will be 7x minus 35. And then lastly, if I subtract 9 from both sides, I get y is equal to 7x minus 44. So that will be our line.